Munini wa inspector wa borithi umweru Eliud Lagat na ambiriritie Ndiûnga wekire ITUO mwanya mwanya bia borithia ya Kenya kenda kuraitha URUTI NGUGI na kinya gutegera riera ria borithi ria kurutira NGUGI yake aria ugite muoroto wawe ni gutigira akaria ni bakuruta NGUGI yao bubwega nora kubatere ari tejaja ari kaunti ya Embu.
I have gone through the station and found out, and I've got the brief. I've been briefed on the security situations within Embu and its environs. And as part of my administration and what I'm doing on day to day is just to check on my officers, how they're behaving, how their morale, the crime and management of the county as such. We want to make stations look better. There are some areas even that don't need money, but we will make it better, okay? We will make it better in the due course. Generally, the area is, and my officers are okay, and the issues that we are going to deal with it, that I've got the brief, and the issues that needs my attention, I will deal with it. Otherwise, I want to ask the people of Embu, people of this place, to maintain peace, to maintain law and order, and we make our country better every day so that the socio-economic activities of this place can prosper.